Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My topic is dowry, a heinous social crime. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa amma ba'd. Dear brothers and sisters, the evil of dowry is existent in India since ancient times. The custom first originated in Asia Hindu communities that later crept into other Hindu communities. Subsequently, with passage of time, when Muslim and other communities grew in India, this social curse spread almost considerable in all communities, now especially the poor, backward and middle class families whose economic and financial resources limited. The dowry custom is one of the biggest social evils in India. It has eaten into the moral fabric of our society. It is believed that the practice of dowry has spread far more widely among the Committee on the Status of Women. A father of an unborn female child and puts lame and shameful justification. If I don't kill her today, tomorrow, she will kill me. The Supreme Court, in its verdict on August 21, 2006, said that for eradication, may Allah grant us courage to preach and practice for Allah what is true and useful for community. Amin wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.